Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable display over other apps inside your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head over to your settings app on your phone, and from here click on the magnifying glass and type in build number, because we need to enable developer mode. So click in the build number. Click on build number 7 times to enable developer mode. As you can see, mine's already been activated. So to get the developer mode, head back to your settings, scroll all the way down the bottom, and you can see developer options. So what you need to do now is click in the developer options and then search for overlay, like so, and then click on the bottom result, allow screen overlays on settings. And then right down the bottom, toggle that on, allow screen overlay on settings, allow apps that can display over other apps to overlay setting screens. So I'm going to go ahead and enable that, and that's how to do it, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.